To integrate Microsoft 365 with ForcePoint DLP, we're going to begin in our Security Manager and log into the console. We'll then select General, and then Services, and we're going to click on the File Labeling tab. We will now click on Microsoft Information Protection, and we're going to enter in our credentials for Microsoft 365. Once the credentials are entered, you can click on Import Labels. We'll receive an error message letting us know that we have failed to import the labels. What we need to do is grant permissions to ForcePoint DLP from Office 365. So we can click on Log in to Office 365, enter in our credentials, we'll then accept the permissions review. Close this, and now we can enter in our credentials again. Click on Import Labels once again, and we now have our individual labels that have been imported. We then click OK. We're not going to deploy just yet, so click No. We are now going to create a classifier label for Microsoft Information Protection. So let's click Policy Management, Content Classifiers, and then File Labeling. We can click New, provide a name, select our labeling system, and we're going to select Secure Project. Once Secure Project is listed, we can then click OK. We'll have a reminder letting us know that we have to add this to a policy. We're going to cancel this, select Policy Management, DLP Policies, Manage Policies. We're going to click on Add, and then Custom Policy. We're going to provide a name, click on Next. Our condition is going to be our classifier that we just created. So click on Add, then File Labeling. We're going to select our MIP Confidential. Click OK. Select Next. On our action plan, we're going to choose to block all. And then we are going to finish. We'll now be able to deploy these changes. Once our deployment has completed, we can click on Windows Test Machine. And now we're going to test our label classifier. We're going to select Word 2016. When prompted, we're going to log into our accounts using our Office 365 credentials. Once we have signed in, we can then click on Blank Document. And we'll type something in here. Select our sensitivity as Secure Project, and then save our document. Save it somewhere where it is easily accessible. And now we can close Microsoft Word. We're going to right-click on our ForcePoint DLP endpoint agent and ensure that it is updated. And then we're going to navigate to dlptest.com. We'll select HTTP post, click to upload a document, navigate to where we saved our document, and you can see that we have our Microsoft Information Protection violation trigger.